Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add people or participants to join your meetings or video calls on Google Meet really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so I'm on the home screen of Google Meet. As you can see, I'm logged into my Google account, and there are basically two different ways how you can add or invite people to join your video calls and meetings. The first option would be to simply click on a new meeting here and to create a shareable link for a meeting later, just like that. Google Meet will then create a shareable link like that here, so that you may click on that button here to copy it to your clipboard, so that you may invite users or your contacts to that video call or meeting through that shareable link, for example, via direct messaging services, social media posts, emails, and so on and so forth. So that's the first option. Another option would be, guys, to simply start an instant meeting. To do that, click on new meeting here again and select start an instant meeting. And what you want to do after that, guys, is wait till Google Meet will initiate the video call. After that, you will see that window popping up here on the left hand side. So you may, for example, use again a shareable link to invite contacts to that already ongoing meeting by clicking on that button here to copy that shareable link and to share it with your contacts. Or alternatively, guys, click on add others here and send an invitation via email. So you may, for example, enter the recipient's email address here and find it in your address book, or simply check the box to the right of your contact's email address listed below to send an email invitation. And last but not least, guys, you may also invite users and contacts to an already ongoing video call by clicking on that host information button or icon here in the bottom right corner. And after that, click on that button here, copy joining info to copy the invitation link to your clipboard so that you may share it with your contacts and friends via direct messaging services or emails, for example, so that they may join your already ongoing video call. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you add people to Google Meet. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.